Windows 11 KB5068861 for versions 25H2 and 24H2 has officially rolled out, and is already being called one of the biggest and most impactful updates of November 2025, bringing a wave of new UI changes, performance improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements that dramatically refine the Windows 11 experience. Starting with a long-awaited rollout of the redesigned Start menu UI that Microsoft has been A/B testing for months, which introduces smoother animations, cleaner categories, refined quick actions, and a more accessible layout that makes the Start menu feel modern, fluid, and better aligned with Windows' evolving design language. And this update doesn't stop there, because KB5068861 also introduces colorful battery icons to the taskbar, a small but visually pleasing change that helps users instantly understand power levels through new color indicators that shift based on battery percentage and charging state, making it more intuitive to monitor device power at a glance, which is especially useful for laptops and tablets. And while these UI improvements are eye-catching, the November 2025 update also focuses heavily on performance and stability tweaks, as Windows' latest testing confirms improvements to system responsiveness, app launch times, and background optimization behavior, all of which contribute to smoother multitasking, more efficient CPU scheduling, and overall better system fluidity, especially on devices running Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2. And this update is mandatory, meaning it will automatically download and install for all eligible machines as part of the Patch Tuesday cycle, appearing in Windows Update as 2025-11 Security Update KB5068861, 26,200.7171, and the build number applied depends entirely on which version of Windows you are running. If you're on Windows 11 25H2, KB5068861 bumps your system to build 26,200.7171. But if you're still on Windows 11 24H2, the update advances your system to build 26,100.7171, with both versions receiving nearly identical feature sets and stability patches. And in testing, the update size is roughly 1 GB through Windows Update, but can expand to nearly 4 GB when downloaded manually through the Microsoft Update catalog, mainly because the offline installer packages contain additional servicing stack components for full compatibility across devices. And speaking of the Update catalog, Microsoft has officially published direct download links for the KB5068861, the MSU offline installers, making it extremely convenient for those who prefer manual installation or users whose Windows Update is stuck, repeatedly failing, or showing error codes. Simply visit the Update Catalog page, locate the correct version for your architecture, x64 or ARM64, and click Download to obtain the standalone installer, with file sizes listed clearly in the Update table, including 3,912.1 megabytes for 24H2x64, 3,716.5 megabytes for 24H2 ARM64, 3,912.1 megabytes for 25H2x64, and 3,716.5 megabytes for 25H2 ARM64, and you can confirm your OS version and architecture via Settings, System, About before installing manually. And beyond features and performance, KB5068861 also includes dozens of security updates, vulnerability patches, kernel stability refinements, improved memory handling, and fixes targeting issues reported by insider users over the past month, including intermittent taskbar crashes, broken tray icons, stalled context menus, high GPU usage from the desktop window manager, File Explorer freezing when accessing large directories, and power efficiency problems affecting AMD Ryzen laptops, making this update particularly beneficial for users facing performance inconsistencies, stutters, or overheating. But while KB5068861 is largely stable, some testers have reported minor installation delays, especially on older SSDs and HDD-based devices where the update can take longer to apply due to servicing stack recalibrations. But once installed, the system immediately feels more polished with Start. Menu responsiveness vastly improved, animation smoother, battery indicators clearer, and the overall Windows 11 visual consistency strengthened. An effort Microsoft has been pushing steadily as it prepares the OS for the larger 26H2 UI overhaul expected next year. And one of the most important things to understand is that KB5068861 is designed not only to refine Windows visually, but also prepare underlying systems for future AI, NPU-accelerated tasks, and next-gen device capabilities, a trend Microsoft has doubled down on with recent updates, making every Patch Tuesday release a step toward aligning Windows with AI-ready hardware launching throughout 2026. Now let's talk about installation. If you have not received the update yet, you can simply head to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. And if the installation fails or gets stuck at 0%, 30%, or 66%, you can bypass Windows Update problems entirely by using the direct MSU download from the Update catalog, double-clicking the file to install manually, which often resolves update failures related to corrupted update cache, insufficient storage preparation, or inconsistent servicing stack states. And now comes the big question. Should you install Windows 11 KB5068861 immediately? The answer is yes, because this update not only improves performance in the Start menu, but also delivers essential security fixes, protecting your system from vulnerabilities patched as part of the November 2025 patch. Tuesday's cycle, making it highly recommended for all Windows 11 24H2 and 25H2 users. And while some updates in the past have had stability concerns, early reports for KB5068861 showed generally positive results with no major issues, making this one of the safer cumulative updates to install right away, especially if you've been experiencing UI glitches or reduced battery efficiency. And as Microsoft continues refining Windows 11 in preparation for next year's massive Windows 11 26H2 release, updates like KB5068861 are essential stepping stones that bring consistency, stability, and smoother performance across all supported hardware. So my recommendation is simple. Install KB5068861 as soon as possible to enjoy the new Start UI, colorful battery icons, improved performance, enhanced stability, and all the security protections included in this update. And if Windows Update fails, use the direct MSU download from the Update catalog to install it manually and ensure your PC stays secure, optimized, and ready for the future. And with that, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more deep dive tech breakdowns right here on TechVerse.